Now, in our next lesson, we're going to look at the timeline in CapCut. Now, we're going to do a series of tutorials on this. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to add videos to our timeline. Now, in the last video, I told you can just click and drag your clip over here, and there you have it. So if I click the play button over here, it will just play the video, and you can see this white cursor kind of then will start moving to the right, and you can see from here the progress of the video. You can stop it from here. Again, you can just move this little cursor around, so you can just drag it to wherever you want your video to start. Again, you can play the video by hitting the space bar button on your keyboard. So again, there it goes, and to stop, you just hit the space bar button again and it stops. Now, if you want to add another video again, you can still add it by dragging and dropping like so, or just delete this. You can click on this plus icon over here. So if you click on it, it will add itself to the track, and what it will do is that it will come to the very beginning of the clip. So you'll have to just remove it and then place it to another place. So you can place it at the end and have it continue from this one. So you have to be careful there. And have the smooth transition and such. Or you can place it on top of the other and then kind of layer your videos like so. Now, another thing that you need to do to know when you're working on the timeline is that you can actually crop your videos. Now, as you can see, let's say I just want a small clip of this video. Let's just play it. So you can see what's going on. I just want a short clip of it. There are two ways you can do that. One, you can clip it directly from here. So you can hover your mouse at the edge over here, and then it will turn into a two-sided arrow, and then you click and drag it to your desired place. You can do the same with the other side like so, and then you're left with this clip, and then I can move it around to wherever I want. And now if you play it, you can actually see it's a shorter version of the original video. Now, so the other way that you can crop your video is from over here. So first of all, you come to over here, click the drop down arrow, and then select list, and then this will appear as a list. Now from here, we're working on this one. We want to crop out this video. You can hold the handles at the edge. Again, if you hover your mouse at the edge, it will give you a double-sided arrow, and then you can click and drag it in to mark an in point, and then click the edge again from the other side, drag it in to mark an out point. So that is the part that I want. You can see it's surrounded by this blue rectangle, and then I can just click on it, drag it and drop it. So let's just place it over here, and if I play it, you can actually see it's a shorter version as compared to the original version. So this is the shorter version, and this is the larger version. Now, the good thing with CapCut is that it lets you know what you've been doing to your clips. Now, as you can see, this is the list. These are the number of clips I have. I only have 2, and each of them is marked added. This means that they have been added to my timeline. And then this clip over here has this little scissor-like icon. This means that I've actually cropped it from over here. So if I click on that again, you can see it will actually show you the area that you clipped, and then you can go again and make your own adjustments if you want to. But basically, that is how you crop a video on your timeline and then add it to your timeline.